Hey everyone, this is Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how the page function works of your WordPress site to create subpages. And here's what I mean by that. Let's say you have an about page or you have a my team page, and you also have like 4 team members, John, Jake, Josh, and Joey, right? You have 4 team members and you want all 4 of them to have their own pages, right? Well, here's what you want to do. Let's say on your WordPress site here, you have a contact button. When someone hovers over it, let's say you want this to have a drop down that shows extra people. Well, in order to make something like that work, you have to create what's called sub pages. All right. So here's what I mean. Let's go to your admin panel. Go to Pages, and now here in Pages, let's say let's use the contact one as the example, right? Let's say we want the contact page to have contact Josh, contact John Doe, and contact Jake. Alright, well, here's what you want to do. Right now there is no contact Josh page, there is no contact John Doe. So what you have to do is make those pages. But when you make these pages, you have to make them as sub pages of your main parent page. Alright, so here's what I mean by that. Go to Add New Page. And when you're here on Add New Page, give it your title, so I'm going to call this Contact Josh. I'm just going to put dummy text into this just to have it. And now let's say after you actually put all your content that you want, here on the right side, notice where it says Page Attributes. What you want to do is hit this parent button and choose which parent's going to be the main page. So contact is going to be the main page, which means my Contact Josh page is going to be a sub page of contact. So when I hit publish, here's what that does. Notice first the URL. See how the URL is /contact/contact Josh. Well, basically that just means that this Contact Josh page is a sub page. So when I view the page, let's take a look at the URL one more time. You see that how the URL is still on the contact page, but it's a sub page, right? Now, by doing this, let's go back to our admin panel. By doing this, we've now established the relationship between this sub page and the main page of contact. So when I go back to pages, as I just did here, you'll see contact is here and then a hyphen with Contact Josh. This means this is a sub page of contact. And here's what that does now. Let's say on the home page or in your navigation bar, if you want Contact Josh to be a drop down menu here, here's what you do. And I have a separate video tutorial explaining all of the navigation bar, by the way. I'm just going to show you the fast way. So we go under Tizish-Site Options, and all we're going to do is enter. I know this is fast, you're not even able to see what this is. All I do is go to my pages. I select Contact Josh as part of the drop down menu, and I'm going to save it. And now that I saved it, I hit on refresh, and here's what's going to happen. When I hover over Contact Josh shows up. You see that? It shows up as a drop down menu. So that's what sub pages are for. Sub pages are basically used to establish the relationship between a new page that you want and an existing page. So like Contact Josh, for instance, would be part of the contact page. Or if you have John Doe and you have my Meet the Team page and you want John Doe to be a part of it, then you have to use sub pages. So just to remind you one more time, the place that this is in your actual posting screen. On the right hand side, you'll have a box that says Parent or Page Attributes and the Parent. Just choose what page you want choose whatever page you want the page that you're creating to be a sub page of, and by doing that you choose a parent page. Alright? So that's everything on creating sub pages, and that's the benefit of doing so. Alright? If you have any questions, go to facebook.com/Tizish, the way it's spelled here, and ask me there. Alright? Well, good luck and have fun using this tool.